Should we start?
You can start.
So today, the problem that we are going to present to you is largely about employee attrition, which means a lot of employees leaving the company within a particular amount of time, which could be resignations, terminations, or irrational human behavior altogether. So when our client, who also happens to be a Fortune 500 company, came to us with this problem, we were a little perplexed as to why this problem is such a big an issue for them. But when we realized that they are bleeding almost $8,500 per employee when they leave within the first 90 days of joining, we knew we had to solve this problem to present more insights to the client and understand the pain points that are causing this behavior. We had a lot of quantitative data sets that talked about the turnover data of the past 5 years. And a few of the data we garnered ourselves by doing a little bit of web scraping of 6,000 review of our client and how people are perceiving them.
Yeah, so since the whole problem is big on the human nature of the things, we had to combine human emotion and data to be able to extract recommendations and find the pain points that were causing this whole problem of people leaving. So how we did this, we followed a very detailed 7-step analysis where we started by analyzing the data that we had, we gathered more, we spoke to people, we were able to extract the emotion out of the whole situation. We did a lot of modeling to help us understand the data and tell a story. And finally, form our recommendations, which we'll be presenting right next.
So for our recommendations, what we were trying to look out for was basically trying to pinpoint the pain points there and trying to suggest recommendations based on what will help the employees the best. So our recommendations was more about helping our staffing agency understand what works and what does not work, more about how we can make the employees' lives better in the warehouse and outside the warehouse as well. And from these recommendations, our stakeholders and we as a team believe that we can reduce the turnover by 10%, and the plans that we are proposing are actionable and handy.
Thank you.
Thank you.